What do I say again? You are on Hey Team Marie on my new auntie show.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jeannie Marie, and today I'm here to show you, or to not show you. Listen, I really wanted to share my experience with y'all. I tried the 3-second magnetic eyelashes. I saw it in JCPenney and I was like, yo, let me try it because I saw it on the news. Like, I think I saw it on TV. And they tried it out and it was good. I know you can already tell my experience didn't go well. So literally it says magnets snap together easily in seconds. Includes 2 sets of natural lashes, 1 set of bold lashes. Lightweight and secure, reusable, comfortable for all day use. And I'm gonna open this up, but it just so happens that I was watching a Jackie Aina video before this, and she was like, how do people sit in a boardroom and think of like who says magnetic lashes, like whatever? And I'm just like, oh, so you knew that ain't work, sis? Cause I ain't know. And it's $30. I'm gonna take it back, but it's like, ooh, $30. So I tried this the other day. And I followed the directions. The first one, step 1, is to apply mascara or any other eye makeup prior to putting it on. Use your fingers and tools to align the top magnetic lash. You know what? I'm going to do it as I read the directions so y'all can see. But basically, I tried it and it didn't work out. And my sister, she helped me too. She did it herself. Cause I was like, yo, this ain't, it's not going well. It wasn't going well, sis. And so she helped me and it still ain't work. So I was just like, these don't work. I don't know what I saw on TV, but this wasn't it. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get me a little zoom in, a little close up. See the way my jacket work? I can't do too much moving. I see a lot of people try this style. You can't move in it. Who made this up? You can't move. Okay. It's cute, but I can't move. I already put my makeup on and stuff, so I'm going to try the bold lashes? Oh, 1 set of bold lashes. All right. I'm just going to try on one eye. The last time I tried, I didn't take them off properly, and I kind of hurt my eye. And, I might have pulled out a couple eyelashes. So, this what they looking like, right? You can tell the top from the bottom because the bottom has a magnetic lash on. This jacket making my back hurt. I should honestly take it off, but I can't. It's too late. I gotta just... It says use your fingers or the applicator. I'm gonna use my fingers because... Actually, I'm gonna show you what the applicator looks like. It looks like some big old tweezers. It's like plastic. Look, I can. Whatever. Use your fingers. Use your fingers or a tool to align the top lash along the outer corner of your natural lash line. Gently lay the top magnetic lash in place. Oh. Okay. Like, I think that's it, but even, look at me. This, you see any positive coming out of this? Because I don't. And I wasn't looking in the mirror as I was doing it, but come on. And I got it close. It's close to my eye. It's close to my lash line, for real. Okay. So, second lash is with the top magnetic lash. Whoa, I lost a lash. Oh, okay, I found it. All right. Okay, so with the top magnetic lash lying on your lash line, use your fingers or the applicator to align the bottom lash directly below the top lash, red dot facing up. The magnets will attach and your natural eyelash will be sandwiched in between the magnetic lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this one here, right? Look, all I'm doing, the lash is against my eyelid. I'm going to hold this down. And this is reminding me of me and my sister trying. It did not go well. Okay, hold on. I got to get serious. All right. Oh, okay. I'm 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 even more disappointed than when I tried it before. Who thought of this? This is not good. Like, I promise. Oh, come on. For real. For real. Where's the rest of my eyelash? Like, I I I putting on eyelashes is hard. That's why I gravitated so much toward this, because I'm like, they got it. Like, they you're right. We need something else. But this ain't it. It's not long enough. It's supposed to be like an extension, but it ain't long enough. Like, my natural lashes do not compare. Like, it's not like it can be like, oh, no, this ain't it. Dang, ew. This ain't right. However, it is very lightweight. I will give you that. It's very lightweight. I very lightweight. What is on my neck? I got oil on my neck. I greased my hair. That's why I put some oil in my hair. It's very lightweight, but like, this ain't gonna rock. This not gonna work for nobody, and it's gotta go back. I think if they had multiple, first off, if it was longer, it would be more helpful. I don't know who invested in this, not women. If it was longer, it would be helpful, and then also more magnets. So longer and just more magnets, but like, this half a lash is not gonna work for me. I don't have those type of eyelashes. I use my volumizing mascara too, so that I could try to match with it. Don't waste your money. I know. Actually, no, I don't know. I didn't know. I really thought this was going to be like the answer to all my problems, because I'm not a mascara pro. I'm not an eyelash pro, but I did see that meme that said, like, once you try lashes, you can never not try them again, because they just change your life. And it's like, you almost look like naked, without them. And I like the lashes. They take me a little while to put on, and it's a little intimidating. So I really thought I had found, blah, blah, blah. But this ain't it. I really just wanted to let y'all know, because I don't know. I guess I was fooled. I'm going to take the lash off. What does it say? It says, gently slide the top and the bottom magnetic lashes away from each other. So, like, boom. But, like, you don't really know what's top from the bottom, especially me. I'm just going to, like, Lord, don't, oh, okay, that wasn't bad. It's not bad at all. Like, it's very easy to, okay, not very. It's easy enough to put on. It's just, like, it doesn't look good. Like, I can't walk out my house like that. So, I hope that somebody learns something from this. Don't try it. I mean, you can try it. Just save your receipt. But, thanks for watching. I hope that you found this helpful. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Just hit the share button. Just share it with your Facebook friends. Like, let's spread the love. It's the Brooklyn way. It might not be from Brooklyn, but no, I'm done. I'm out. I'm rambling. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.